Out walking the dogs there this morning. Just walking along the beach here, and we might do a bit of metal detecting here sometime today, but just walking the dogs this morning. It's a nice beach here, well, stony beach for metal detecting, but on the way we came across this lad, a sleeping cauldron. I think that's what they're called anyway. The water probably got too cold for him, he's over for a break. Hey. There you go. Hey, the boy. Right, you going back to sleep? Okay, we leave him alone. Don't want to disturb him too much. Come on, lads. Come on. Come on. As I said, we might do a bit of metal detecting on this beach later on. Tide is out. It's a nice little location. I've done it a couple of times before, a couple of small coins in it. Bits and pieces, not much, just mainly trash, but you never know what might turn up. Right, until we get out to the metal detecting, we'll say bye-bye.